welcome to my channel, and I'm really sorry for ghosting you all. I'm shooting after a long time, and there has been a lot of things, my work and my own hobbies and everything. So yeah, and recently we have shifted to a new rented home, and I thought of sharing my book haul with you all, or maybe sharing my library with you all. So yeah, stay tuned. Uh, I'll be just sharing the name and why I have bought that book, and that's it. No disclaimer, no review, nothing. That's simply sharing what all books I have in my library. That's it. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I want to tell you that these books are no in order. तो like जैसे जैसे मैं ऐसे निकालती जाऊँगी वैसे वैसे I'll just keep on sharing with you. So the first book is The Perfect Pitch. It is based on branding and basically social media marketing and the branding, and I bought it because one of my mentor has recommended on her Instagram, so I bought this. Then another very famous, How to Kill Your Family. I have finished almost 50 pages, but I couldn't get the time to I couldn't get the time to read again, so I'll pick it very soon. Again, the next one is Verity. I loved it, and movie is also coming on this book. So yeah. The next, The Great Gatsby, the book which has the toughest book app. So I read it, I couldn't get it, and I left it. The another book someone has gifted me, and this has poetry collection, so I don't like poetry much, so I couldn't read it. Maybe any day I'll get it. Then this is also a gifted book. I might read it. Let's see. The another is one of my first, The Diary of a Young Girl. It's like very good book. The another one, A Man Called Hope. I bought it, but I couldn't read it, so maybe I'll pick this very soon. My most favorite, Retli Machli. It's such a good book. I would recommend you to read it. Another very famous book, The Silent Patient. I really loved the plot and everything. I really loved it, and I literally recommend this book to you. Then The Richest Man in Babylon. Long ago I picked it. I read it and I couldn't get it क्योंकि पैसे है नहीं, तो मैनेज तो बाद में करूँगी. सो आई लेफ्ट इट इन बिटवीन. मेरी बहुत सारी बुक्स है जो मैंने इन बिटवीन छोड़ी है. आई डोंट नो मैं कब उनको पिक करने वाली हूँ. द अनदर इज़ वेरी फेमस, इकिगाई. आई रेड इट. मेरे पास ये दूसरी कॉपी है. एक कॉपी जो मेरी खुद की लाइब्रेरी की थी वो आई गिफ्टेड टू समवन एल्स, एंड दिस इज़ द गिफ्टेड कॉपी. तो आई रियली डोंट लाइक दिस बुक अ लॉट. गुनाहों का देवता. पीपल लव इट, बट मुझे इतनी खास लगी नहीं क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगा इन दिस बुक इनफिडेलिटी को बहुत रोमांटिसाइज किया गया, एंड आई रियली डोंट लाइक दैट. नाउ आई ओपन माई बॉक्स. Okay, the very first book is Wuthering Heights. इसकी इंग्लिश बहुत टफ है, सो आई couldn't get it. I had read already 122 pages, and I don't know when I'm gonna pick again. Then The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. It's such a good book. I really loved it. I had made a lot of annotation and the highlighting and all. I have done so much, but I don't know. I loved it. ठीक है. It starts with us, and I have it ends with us also. मैंने नहीं पढ़ी है अभी. I'll pick this. I recently bought Good Be Love. It is written by one of my LinkedIn friends, so I'm about to read this book. This is murder mystery, if I'm not wrong, and I'm sucker of murder mystery, so I bought it, but I couldn't get the time to pick it up, so I'll read it very soon, maybe in this year. Let's see. This one is a non-fiction book, but it is gifted by one of my Instagram friends, and I'm really grateful for having these kind of friends in my life who gifts me books. So yeah, this is one of them. I have 2 copies of this. मैं मीशो से खरीदती हूँ बुक्स, और मीशो के बंडल में आई थी, सो आई हैव 2 copies of this book. एंड थोड़ी सी पढ़ी है मैंने. लेट्स सी कभी मैं पूरा पढ़ती हूँ. मैंने बोला था आई हैव लॉट्स ऑफ बुक जो आधे में पढ़ी हुई है. देन ठीक तुम्हारे पीछे बाय मानव कौल. लेट्स सी कब पढ़नी होती है. Then these are very short books. The first one is Metamorphosis. This is one of the book जहाँ पे मैं रोई थी. I cried my heart out and I was feeling so helpless for the character, the protagonist. So yeah, The Birthday Girl by Murakami. It is again a very good book. The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond and I loved it also. मैं ट्राई करती हूँ कि ये बुक को मैं अपने नेफ्यू को पास ऑन करूँ. सो मैं धीरे धीरे उसकी स्टोरी उसको सुनाती रहती हूँ. देन सरकारी चाय के लिए बाय प्रेम शंकर चरडाना. एंड ये नए राइटर हैं कोई, और मैंने ये बुक देखी थी और ये मैंने बुक देखी थी इंस्टाग्राम से. आई थॉट ऑफ बाइंग इट. देन दिस इज ब्लू सिस्टर्स एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम नमिता दुबे. सो आई एम लाइक आई पिक दिस वेरी सून. दिस कोहबर की शर्त नदिया के पार मूवी इज़ बेस्ड ऑन दिस. बहुत अच्छी है. बहुत अच्छी है बुक. बहुत डिफरेंट है मूवी से. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि ये पढ़नी चाहिए. मैं रिव्यू बहुत सून रिलीज़ करने वाली हूँ. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. द नेमसेक नहीं पढ़ी है, अभी भी पढ़ी है ऐसे ही लाइब्रेरी में. इसके पेजेस भी येलो हो गए हैं. बहुत पहले खरीदी थी बट पढ़ नहीं पाई हूँ. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो 1984. इट इज़ सजेस्टेड बाई समवन वेरी क्लोज बट मैंने अभी भी नहीं पढ़ी है. सो इसके कुछ पेजेस पढ़े हुए हैं. सी यहाँ तक मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है बट उसके आगे नहीं पढ़ा है. तो आई पिक प्रेमचंद्र की गोदान. सच अ ब्यूटिफुल बुक. और आई हैव हर्ड कि इस पर मूवी भी आ रही है. होप वो लोग मूवी बिगाड़े नहीं. See, I have lots of books and I'm really proud of it. This is Show Your Work. So I don't know, being a creator, I read it but I couldn't conclude anything. So I don't know how people are concluding things from this. Help me if you can conclude anything, any tips and tricks from this. So I would be happy. There's another very 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 inspiring book from me because I could relate to this. Like I could relate to this protagonist and I really love this book. I would literally recommend you. The name is Bachpan Khampel Lal Dibare by Usha Premada. Then this is again Siddhartha. It is one of my first books क्योंकि 100 रुपये में आई थी. So I bought it and I loved it. I have so many books. बहुत दूर, कितना दूर होता है बाय मानव कौल. अगेन ही मानव कौल की 3 बुक्स थी जो मैंने कॉम्बो में मंगाई थी एंड मैंने अभी तक नहीं पढ़ी है. दैन दिस इज़ अगेन वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट सुधा मूर्ति की द मैजिक ऑफ द लॉस्ट टेम्पल. इट इज़ सच अ नाइस बुक एंड आई एम ऑल्सो थिंकिंग टू tell the story of this book to my nephew so that he will also cultivate the reading habit. This is like very 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 old book. पता नहीं मुझे कहाँ से मिली थी but it is such a good book. क्योंकि मुझे पोइट्री पसंद नहीं है तो मैंने कभी पढ़ी नहीं. This is related to my marketing thing, the 22 immutable laws of marketing. I read it. कुछ चीज़ें अच्छी लगी बट ये बहुत रिलेटेड है ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग से, नॉट द मॉडर्न और सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग. द परफेक्ट अस मैंने बहुत पहले पढ़ी थी. अब मैं इसकी स्टोरी भी भूल गई हूँ बट आई रिमेंबर दैट अच्छी लगी थी मुझे. सो या let me arrange, otherwise सब गिर जाएंगे. डू इट टुडे नहीं पढ़ी अभी तक. मैं पढ़ूंगी एंड बताऊंगी कि कैसी बुक है ये बुक. आई वॉन्ट टू डाई बट आई वॉन्ट टू ईट टोका वोकी इफ़ आई एम नॉट प्रोनाउंशिएटिंग रॉन्ग. सो ये भी मैंने हाफ में पढ़ के छोड़ दी थी क्योंकि जब मैंने शुरू करी थी आई वॉज ऑल्सो गोइंग थ्रू समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो इट वॉज ट्रिगरिंग मी ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स. सो आई थॉट let's not pick this up at this moment. So I left it in between. 3000 Stitches by Sudha Murthy. Nice book, you can read it. Then The Great Train Journey. आई गेस बहुत सुंदर बुक है क्योंकि मुझे इसकी स्टोरी याद नहीं है, मैंने बहुत पहले पढ़ी थी बट आई रिमेंबर द विजुअल्स तो आई नो इट्स वेरी गुड बुक. देन दिस इज़ नॉट योर स्टोरी. ये भी वन ऑफ माई फर्स्ट है और बहुत पहले पढ़ी थी एंड आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर द स्टोरी, सो आई डोंट नो. द गर्ल इन रूम 105. ठीक ठीक ही है बुक, आई डोंट नो, मुझे याद भी नहीं है. One of my favorites, the Stationery Shop of Tehran. Like, it has such a wholesome love story and I really loved it. The Titan's Curse. It is again a gifted book. One of my Instagram friends has gifted me this, so yeah. The Little Prince. It has also a very tough book है. अब तो पढ़ी थी मैंने, समझ आई नहीं तो बीच में छोड़ दी. The Mars Conspiracy. It is actually a review copy and this is my first and I guess my last review copy because I didn't enjoy reading books in pressure कि किसी को लिख के देना है रिव्यू. I didn't like enjoying it, so I stopped taking reviews copy. But I really loved this book. This is actually a very nice. This is my first sci-fi also, so it's actually a very nice sci-fi book. Mindset. My best friend has forced me to read this in my lowest phase. मैंने पढ़ी बट मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया. मैं और ज़्यादा डीप चली गई तो I stopped reading in between. बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं जो मैंने इन बिटवीन छोड़ी हुई है. आई गेस ये सबकी वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट होगी, सबकी, मतलब जितने भी रीडर्स हैं सबकी. मैंने ली थी, ये बुक ख़राब भी कर दी है चूहों ने, तो ली थी मैंने बट मुझे उतनी खास पसंद आई नहीं. मेरे को नॉन फिक्शन उतनी खास पसंद आती नहीं है. आई पिक्ड नॉन फिक्शन व्हेन आई वाज इन माय लोवेस्ट, बट मेरे लोवेस्ट में भी हेल्प नहीं हुई, सो आई स्टॉप्ड. द रीज़न ऑफ स्टॉपिंग रीडिंग नॉन फिक्शन बिकॉज समवन हैज़ टोल्ड दैट I don't know, someone has just roasted me for something, so I stopped it. The Kite Runner by Khalid Hosseini. अभी तक नहीं पढ़ी है, but my best friend has said that I would cry after reading this, so let's see. The Housemaid Secrets. Again, I'll read it. Let's see when. Looking for Alaska. So I guess this is also a recommendation of Namita Dubey, if I'm not wrong. And मैंने अभी तक नहीं शुरू करी है. ये बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ी है. It is very new. A House Without Window. It is gifted by one of my these friends, and I loved it. It's such a nice book. I have one book in contrary. Let me just wait. Yeah, A House Without Window and दीवार में एक खिड़की रहती है. Such a like a contrary but very different storyline. So I'm really excited to read this one also. Let's see. Then Musafir Cafe. People loved it. मुझे storyline थोड़ी ठीक लगी, उतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, and language तो it's not my choice. A Good Girl's Guide. A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. I loved it, but after reading I realized it कि उतनी भी खास स्टोरी नहीं है जितना इसको हाइप मिला है. So it ends with us. I told you that I have the copy also. Then I don't know how to pronunciate it. Just let me know in the comment how to pronunciate it. But I bought it because I love the copy. I love the cover. And it has also been suggested by a lot of people, so I thought of buying it and I bought it. But I don't know when I bought it. I didn't even read it. My sister read it, so I don't know. Again, this is one of the book I got in exchange, like Christmas exchange gift, but I didn't like it, so I didn't read it. I'll pick it up very soon. Think and Grow Rich. नहीं पढ़ी, एक पेज नहीं पढ़े, so let's see. I kinda love it and it's a very good book. चूहों ने ऐसे ख़राब कर दी है. I don't know. Still I have a lot of books. Days at Murasaki bookshop. So I am one of the person जिसको starting में books ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा खास नहीं लगती हैं. So she will read 20 pages in 20 days and next 80 pages in 1 day. This is one, I guess this is the rarest book जो मुझे starting से बहुत अच्छी लगी. It picked me up from first page, but मैं पढ़ नहीं पाई थी क्योंकि I have other commitments, so I'll pick this very soon. More days at Murasaki book shop. So एक बारी ये finish हो जाएगी, so I'll pick this one. Before the coffee gets cold, I have the high expectation from this book, but in between I realized कि ये उतनी अच्छी नहीं है या वो स्टोरी लाइन पे नहीं है जो मैंने सोच के इसको पिक किया था, तो ये मैंने फिर से बीच में छोड़ दी. See another copy of एक दीवार में एक खिड़की रहती है. See another copy of दीवार में एक खिड़की रहती थी. Oh, this book, 1,000 Splendid Sun. It's such a warm hug, and I'm still feeling like crying thinking of the protagonist of this book. खालिद हुसैनी को थोड़ा सा काइंड होना चाहिए था प्रोटैगनिस्ट के लिए, बट ठीक है. This is a man thinks. Yeah, this is as a man think by James Allen. पढ़ी है, मुझे उतनी खास नहीं लगी. I guess this is also non fiction. The Grown Up Girl. It's such a nice book. It's a very short read, but it's very nice book. I loved it. This I wanted to have this in my library बहुत टाइम से. मैंने खरीदी बट मैं पढ़ नहीं पाई. This Pride and Prejudice. ये मैंने बहुत ऐसे फोमो में खरीदी थी. मैंने कोशिश करी इतनी पढ़ी हुई है बट आगे नहीं पढ़ी है मैंने. This is again a book. So any book, any movie, anything which is dependent on partition, I love that. I don't know why. I have a very different love for anything which happened during the partition. I don't know why. So this is one of the book which is based on partition, Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh, and it is such a nice book. If you also like me, you have to try it. A Little Life, I'm going to pick this. This is my, I guess, longest read in my library, so I'm going to pick this. Palace of Illusions, I loved it. मतलब इसको पढ़ने के बाद मुझे लगा नहीं कि this is written by a Indian writer. This is written so well. ये मैंने मंगाई थी मीशो से और this is the only book जिसमें बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स निकली थी. The 40 Rules of Love अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी है. I don't know कैसी है but अच्छी है. See, I told you I cannot be a book reviewer क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं है how to review it. I'm learning it and I'll learn it very soon. This also, The Lullen Sweets by Srishti Chaudhary. I guess I have 3 books of Srishti Chaudhary और ये मैंने कॉम्बो में मंगाई थी. Shimla Affair, Once Upon a Curfew and Lullen Sweets. Cover looking very nice. Covers are looking very nice. I'm thinking to pick one by one. Kab, I don't know. And this is again the recommendation of Namita Dove, The Vegetarian by Han Kang, and I am going to read it very soon. So yeah, these are my books. And yeah, with that I am ending this video. Oh wait, I left 2 books. The Animal Farm, such a nice book, and The October Junction by Divya Prakash Dubey, and I really loved it. So yeah, that's it. I'm very proud of building this library from scratch. I currently have 84 books. I'll very soon have 100 books in my library, and I'm very happy. I know the number is very small, but I loved it. And so yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to read more this year, and I'm going to make more videos on books. So yeah, bye. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and every form. Like, yeah, I promise that I'll definitely roll on a lot of videos. So stay tuned.